welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix we have Tina. And Tina is speaking about the Perrys and about Donna. She's saying that Donna is revamping and she's going back to the drawing board where the Perrys are concerned. She's also saying that, there's some stuff that are missing in the house that were there 3 years ago. So guys, you're gonna have to go ahead and catch the video to hear what she has to say about Donna trying to basically, she said, to revamp and to get more donations allegedly. So go ahead and go catch the video. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post you know. For all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy birthday, and I wish you prosperity and all your heart desires. For all my other lovelies, my supporters, my followers, my friends, my subscribers, and whoever else you may call me, have yourselves a beautiful rest of the day.
Of dollars. Millions. She didn't just build up her own place in that area. She built up somewhere in above rocks. She has 5 vehicles and it's just her alone. Plus she is paying a $3,000 rent for her grown adult children in Florida. So I'm just telling you about the overheads associated with this woman. Now, she doesn't bake that much. So where is all this funding coming from? No, a little birdie told me that the Perrys are no longer living in that home that she is posting up on social media claiming she's revamping it for the Perrys. I heard they no longer live there. I heard that he's now living in Montego Bay, where he is from, with his wife. Maybe the YouTube money. Yeah, but the YouTube money is also limited too, Stuart. It's also limited. Because in America, you do know, right, that a dollar is a dollar here. So if she makes $5,000 off of YouTube, the $3,000 out of that goes to her rent in Florida, plus any other utilities or anything that she's paying for in Florida. That's real money right there being spent in Florida. We're not talking about any conversion rates in Florida. Oh, no. A dollar is a dollar in Florida. Remember, her children's rent is $3,000. $3,000 for her children's rent. Plus, whenever they go food shopping, it's a haul. When they go food shopping, it's a haul. It's not like some of us who eat and spend within our budget. They're all big. So one pack of chicken will not do, if you get what I'm trying to say. It's a haul. Right? So that money has to keep going. It has to keep coming in. And with all the contracts that she says she's getting, we only see one contract. And she's not too hyped up about that contract either, because it looks like it doesn't really come with a lot of money. Just hype. And that's it. I was triggered by Mr. Perry's video that she posted yesterday. Because when I saw the trash that was strewn out in the front yard, and then about 13 people, what some people don't understand, they don't realize that there's some politics involved there. And when I say politics, I'm not talking about JLP, PNP. I'm talking about the gimmicks and a lot of things that is happening in Mountain View. Notice how they came and they sat right there in the yard as if they were there all along. You know why they did that? Because money. I guarantee you, with everybody you see sitting there, the Paulas, the Winsomes, whosoever was there. I don't know. I don't know these people's names. I'm just calling out name to call out name. All of these people are going to collect from this haul that she's doing for the Perrys. All of them. They will be collecting. Now, what people don't understand, is that if it was a real thing, if it was real, if it was genuine, I don't think anybody would have had anything bad to say about her. I definitely wouldn't, if it was a genuine cause. But because we see the plotting, the planning, and the colluding, the calculated things going on here, this is why people are speaking. Ain't no bad mind. Heaven sent, I think you're not listening. I don't understand. I said I heard that CDA stepped in after they saw the kids begging on the streets. I don't know what you heard, but I said CDA stepped in. So I'm asking, when was the child raped or graped? When did that happen? It's a question. You see, whenever I don't know anything, I ask. I ask questions, especially if I wasn't following along in those episodes that she did with Mr. Perry. I ask questions. I'm not stupid. Okay? I ask questions. Thank you. You get me? I ask if I don't know. What happened to the millions? But this is why you have to keep rallying back on them people here. You have to keep rallying back. You know why? Because it wasn't done from a genuine point of view to begin with. This is why you have to keep rallying back and going back to these people. And I told you guys what I believe. I don't believe that the Perrys live there. I don't believe that the husband lives there. I don't believe that the daughter lives there. I don't believe that the wife lives there. I don't believe that any of the Perrys are currently residing there. I don't care how visually impaired they are. They're not going to remove a mirror from a dresser. Like up the life, people. The Perrys will not remove a mirror from a dresser. Do you know how much, you have to take your little time. They have a backboard. They have this, I am bad mind because something that's out there in the public for us to read. I am bad mind. Y'all are stupid. I said, take your bad mind talk elsewhere. Weren't they bad mind when they reported my YouTube channel? Weren't she bad mind when she come by and call me ex-convict? Wasn't she bad mind when she tell people not to support me? Oh, she wasn't bad mind then. Okay? But me bad mind because I'm speaking on something public. Me bad mind. Oh, okay. Well, I guess I'm going to be bad mind forever. I'm going to be bad mind forever. I am going to be bad mind forever because when them a knock food out of my mouth, literally, I uno see it. When them a deliberately knock food out of my mouth and the public sit down and watch, uno not say she bad mind. When them report me YouTube channel last month, uno never say, she and her friend them bad mind, uno sit down and laugh. When she sit down and direct Kadia to my daughter for come report for me, uno never say she bad mind. But you don't want to call me bad mind. That's weird. So this is a public content that she's putting out there. It's nothing private. I didn't have to take a flight and go to Jamaica and ask around and ask questions. This is something public. So why can't I have an objective, just like how she and her friend them have an objective opinion about my past And then them add on the salaciousness to my past because them want it so nastier. Them add on stories about coke hole and me did have coke in my vagina and all of that nonsense. Them can't add on them nonsense there. Right? So even if me you see like how she tell enough lie upon me and add on nonsense and all them things there. Even if me come upon you and tell 1 or 2 or 3 or 10 lie upon her, it should not be anyone's problem. It's anyone's business. Because I have sat down for 5 years while this woman and her friends lied and lied and lied and lied and harassed me and this and that and that. And I tried to be the bigger person. It didn't help. So she wasn't bad-minded. Oh, so I mean bad-mind now for speaking on something public that I didn't have to go and search for. It's there. It's there. So me bad-mind now. So I only alone for have all the fun, for laugh off of me and to call me cool. But me can't have no fun when me come out and speak up for justice, especially for the visually impaired, who don't see what's going on out here because they're visually impaired. And like I said, if she was doing it for a good cause, if she was doing it genuinely, it wouldn't have been a problem. Because as Jamaicans, we have big hearts. As black people, most of we have big hearts. You understand me? As black people, we have big hearts. Right? As black people, we have big hearts. So, you get me? Like up the live, guys. Like up the live. You're paying attention to Heaven Sent. I'm going to block her too. I don't know. Why is she coming over here fighting for her life in the comment section, Miss Ting? I don't think she realizes that her 2 sentences or whatever it is that she's trying to prove, that's not going to stop me from talking. Heaven Sent. How much of the scamming money are you getting? I'm just saying. Because you're hell-bent on proving me wrong. How much of the scamming money are you getting? Are you over here to clear the air? Are you, what are you over here for? Are you a defender? How many times a day does the Perrys eat? Answer that question. How many times per day do they eat? Do you know that? No. Have you ever seen her go over there and clean up their home? Christmas come and gone, 4 Christmases, 3 Christmases came and went. Have you seen her go over there to assist in the Christmas? You know, Christmas is a time of giving. No, she never did. Bun and cheese season gone. Did you see her carry any free buns that she got from Birdie over there to give them any bun and cheese? No, she didn't. Mr. Perry have a little girl. Have you ever seen her visit that little girl where that little girl was? No, she didn't. No, she never did. She never looked out for their best interests. None of the 3 or 4 years she featured them on this supposed good deed program. She never once went out of her way to say, you know what? Let me go check up on that little girl to see what's going on with her. Shit. Let me tell you something. If I was ever scamming people and getting that amount of money from them, me would I go above and beyond. Me go look for the local picnic. Me go do this. Me go do that. Me go make sure the local picnic all right. Me go make it look good. Me go this. Me go spread bed. Me go cook. Me go this. Me go that. Me go go on with myself because that couple is bringing in a lot of money. So why wouldn't I want some of the money? But she did none of that. She never once dedicated her time for free. She never once say, all right, them blind, let me go to go. Send that dinner you down on the road for Mr. Perry there. Them eat Sunday dinner? What them eat? Call Mr. Perry them and ask them what them eat for Sunday dinner. Them eat? No, all right. She never did that either. That's what people who care about you do. They're concerned about your well-being. They don't just collect off of your head, divide up the money and send you on your way. That's not what a true caregiver does. Hold on, guys. I have a call. Hold on. Hold on, caller. I have a call here. Give me a second. Let me add my Bluetooth because I was here in the process of adding my Bluetooth and I got distracted. So let me go ahead and add my Bluetooth. The audacity. Connected. The audacity. Caller, would you like to be on the live?
Yes, ma'am.
Like up the live, like up the live. Like up the live, like up the live.
Like up the live, guys. Like up the live, like up the live.
Like up the live, like up the live.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, teacups. Good morning, darlings.
Good morning, Tweety Bird. Is that you?
Yes, it is me.
Good morning, Tweety Bird. Say good morning,
Yes.
Tweety Bird, everyone. Say good morning to Tweety Bird. Good morning, Tweety Bird. Go ahead. What do you have to say, Tweety Bird?
Okay, Tina, no distraction over here with all that lady writing up all that mess. They just wanted to move along and, you understand, all that bad mind business. We're not doing that today.
Not today.
We pass over that.
Yes.
If that's the case, everybody bad mind. The whole of Jamaica bad mind.
Exactly.
If that's the case, the whole of Jamaica bad mind.
Exactly.
Every Jamaican bad mind. If that's the case, everyone call we bad mind over here. Yes, we're bad mind. So what?
Exactly.
All right, that's the problem. We're going to talk about her. We see things and we're going to talk about her.
Because it's very public.
Tina.
It's very public. Yes.
All right. We're going to have a discussion this morning.
Okay.
Look at this. Look at what's going on right now.
Mm-hmm.
Did you remember? And when I come and talk on here, I do not lie on these people.
No, you don't.
You understand? I don't lie on her, and I will not lie on her. I will not tell what she did not do.
Correct.
All I said is whatever I see.
Good.
You understand? Did you remember I told you that she had asked that man for the paper for the house and Perry did not own that property? Didn't I tell you that last time I was on here?
Yes, you did tell me that Mr. Perry don't have papers for the property. You did tell me that.
Perry does not own that house.
He doesn't own the house. Okay. All right.
Perry don't own the house. So what happened, what I'm from dissecting what I'm seeing there right now, Perry been moved out of that house. You understand? If you notice the other day when she went there, she never really go inside, She never go inside the other day when she was featuring, it's my 6-year anniversary and all of that. She stayed outside.
Good observation, caller. Good observation.
She stayed outside. But, and you notice, Niecy is not there. Because Niecy is not there, And let me explain something to you. Mr. Perry is an abusive man too,
What?
He's abusive.
What?
Mr. Perry, if you notice when he talks to Niecy, he don't talk to her, he talks down at her. And she's a very quiet lady. I remember one time she did have to go stay with him, our family, because of Perry,
What?
Them talk about it when she just went in there, when them just did they fix the house, Where our family them come take when Niecy, So
okay.
So Perry is really abusive man,
All right, pause
Perry
the talk.
nothing to play with.
Pause the talk, caller. I need to add my disclaimer before you go any further. The views expressed here are not those of Tina Chin or Marion Walters. I am just pretty much, listening to what my callers who have been viewing Donna Gow's live on Mr. Perry in the past, and this is what we're listening to now. Go ahead, caller.
Exactly. And I'm telling you, because what happened, I remember when she just go there, I remember she did say she'd have to go home because she and him did fight. Or something like that, something to that nature. They have a problem. They had a disagreement and she had to go home.
Oh.
You understand?
Oh.
You tell me now, as dirty as that house is, let's be real, as dirty as that house is and what is going on. Oh, when her Niecy and then on her money. Niecy is on vacation.
What?
And left her 2 kids them. That's what 99 said.
Niecy is on vacation.
That's what you see. When 99 talk so fast, listen, you can't take 99 serious enough. That's what I tried to tell her from the other day, you cannot take her serious because she's all about her money.
And she talk
Me,
fast. Real
she
scammer.
talk fast, she's a fast talker.
Mm-hmm.
You understand? If you notice, every time she asks for money to come, while she was there begging online, she was cussing the people them at the same time.
Yes.
She was cursing the people them at the same. She looked in her chat and she cursed the people them dog run. Who do not come over here?
And the
Who do
same
not
thing she
call
do know
over
this
here?
morning. And
Who
the same
do
thing she do.
no planka? Who do not give no money? Me know why. That's
Yeah.
all she was. And she real and she carry on.
Call
You
her. Call
understand?
her. And the same thing she do this morning, but she accost the people them in the comments now.